Hi, this is Anil and welcome to the video tutorial for the Learning Light on C++ programming. So in the last tutorial we have learned about the nested structure in C++. A nested structure is nothing but a structure inside another structure. So in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to use the nested structures and the pointers together. And if you guys haven't watched my previous tutorial on the nested structures, I recommend that you guys should watch that and then come to this tutorial. Alright, for the demonstration purpose, here we have a structure called address, which is containing the house number and the street name as members, and we have another structure student which contains the name, roll number, and a nested structure called address addr. Student is containing a variable of this structure address. So here in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the pointers with these nested structures. Okay, all of you know that we can use the pointers with the structure variables, and we can access the elements of the structure variables using the arrow operator when we use the pointers. Alright guys, now we're gonna see how to access the nested structure using a pointer. So in our program, we're gonna declare a variable. So it's gonna be student, and let me call it as Anil. And then we're gonna create a pointer. It's gonna be student star Anil ptr. Okay, in this example, our Anil ptr will point to this structure variable Anil. So to do that, we need to write Anil ptr equal to and Anil, and next we're gonna access the elements and then assign the values. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this Anil ptr pointer. So it's gonna be Anil ptr, and then when we use the pointer we need to use the arrow operator and then the member name. So we have name, so it's gonna be name equal to, I'm gonna call it Anil, and then again Anil ptr, arrow operator, the next member, roll number equal to, let's say 1245 or any number, and then we need to access this member addr. I'm gonna write Anil ptr and then arrow operator addr. So now this addr is also a variable of structure. So to access the elements of this structure variable, and also make a note that this is not a pointer, it's a variable, we need to use the dot operator. It's going to be Anil ptr and then this arrow operator. We can access this addr, and to access the elements of this addr or the members of this structure variable addr, we need to use the dot operator and then the house number, the member name, and let's say 68, and similarly Anil ptr, arrow operator addr dot street name equal to, let's say Brigade Road. Alright, so now we have accessed the nested structure variable using a pointer. The next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna print out the values. So I'm gonna use cout, and it's gonna be Anil ptr, arrow operator, name, end line, and I'm gonna copy this statement and paste it. So it's gonna be Anil ptr, roll number, and it's gonna be Anil ptr, arrow operator addr dot house number, and one more time I'm gonna paste it, and I'm gonna change this one to addr dot street name. Alright, now I'm gonna save this, I'm gonna build and run this. So now you guys can see we have accessed the elements using the pointer. Alright, the next thing is, what if we have a pointer to this structure address here? While defining this structure student, what if we have a pointer to another structure variable, and also we are accessing the elements of this structure variable student using this pointer? So here I'm going to remove these two statements, and we directly can't assign to this pointer addr. But what we can do in our program is we can create a variable of that nested structure type, and let's say ADR, and in this case this ADR is going to be of type address, and I'm going to initialize that one right here. So it's going to be the house number 65 and then the street name, let's say Madamaki. Alright, now what we can do is we can refer to this pointer by using this anil ptr. So it's going to be anil ptr, then the arrow operator, and then addr, and we can assign the address of this ADR to it. So it's going to be ampersand ADR. So now we can access the members stored in this ADDR using the arrow operator, because this ADDR is a pointer. So here we need to change this one to pointers arrow operator, and here also. So I'm gonna save this, I'm gonna build and run this. So now you guys can see Anil 124565 and Madamaki. Alright, so the next thing is, what if we want to access the values of this variable Anil using this variable only, not this pointer, and also we have a pointer inside that structure student. Alright, to do that I'm gonna remove this line anil ptr equal to ampersand anil, and here also we need to change this one to dot operator, anil dot name, anil dot roll number, and then anil dot address, and here it's going to be anil dot name, anil dot roll number while accessing, and then anil dot addr, and then we're going to use the arrow operator, because this addr is a pointer here, that's why we need to use the arrow operator. So it's going to be another dot, and I'm going to save this, I'm going to build and run this, and also okay, we need to change this one to anil, and here also we need to remove the ptr, because we are accessing using this variable anil. So I'm going to save this, I'm going to build and run. So now you guys can see anil 124565 Madamaki. So this is it guys, this is about the pointers and nested structures in C++. I know it is confusing, but I just wanted to teach you. So if you don't understand, please watch it again. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.